Hi everyone, it's Raleigh. Hope you're doing well. I thought today I'd share a short video. Earlier I set up the month for April in my cousin and my weeks. I'm using the kits from Coffee Monster Co. And yeah, so I recorded this earlier and just thought I'd do a quick voiceover. I hadn't put out a video, I think, in a couple of weeks. It's been a very strange March for me. Nothing terrible happening, just yeah, busy at work and feeling a little off, and I think just hitting a bit of a slump after, I think, a strong start to January, February, which I think is, which happens sometimes. So I'm really looking forward to April, and I'm a huge fan of these kits as well. The April kits from Coffee Monster Co. are fantastic. They're a sakura cherry blossom theme with beautiful colors, pinks and grays and blues and greens. So thought I'd share a little bit of video of me setting up my weeks, and I'll show some of my cousin and then how my weekly turned out as well. I'm looking forward to April. Not that I want to wish away March, but I have some kind of fun events happening. I've got my birthday coming up, a vacation, a couple of shows I'm going to be seeing, so I've been really looking forward to it. So I thought I would record a bit and share. I'm a huge fan of the Coffee Monster Co., the kits and the designs. I decided to use them for my cousin and my weeks this year, and they're just so pretty. So I thought I'd share a little bit of video, even though I didn't record everything the way that I usually do. And it's been interesting. I've been watching a lot of videos lately, and as we're heading into March and heading into April, it's been interesting for me about how I've been using the weeks and the kits. I really only started using these kind of this year. Last fall, I kind of decided that this was something I wanted to dive into, and so previously I'd use a traveler's notebook, which is very similar to the weeks, which was why I have a weeks and a cousin. Although next year I think I'll probably just use the cousin and then a traveler's notebook for other little things. But I do really enjoy this, and as much as I enjoy kind of using the planners for planning and organizing myself, I just like the process, and setting up with these kits makes it really, really easy. There's a lot of amazing kind of creators and designers out there, but I found I really like Coffee Monster Co. I like the kits, then I like the variety of other stickers that they have as well, and I just like that I'm not the neatest person, so it just gives it a nice cohesive look. So yeah, that's how my monthly turned out. And then I did the similar kit just for the cousin, and Ren helped me. For the month's layout for this one, I don't put in a ton of information, kind of similar to what I put in for the weeks monthly, just sort of the main events that are happening, birthdays or things I'm going to see. But I'm looking forward to April, and it should be an interesting month. But yeah, I think that looks nice. And then I did also do my weekly, which is one of my favorite things in the cousin. And I didn't film the whole thing, but this is what it ended up looking like. I found that I really like using just kind of the labels, and then having the labels I like, the emojis I like to represent things, and then I also like the lists as well. So this is what it looks like for this week. So I know that was a quick one, but hopefully you enjoyed taking a peek, and I will see you soon. Bye.